In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text box border in WPS Office Mobile. Let's start by adding a text box to your document. Open your WPS Office Mobile app and tap the icon at the bottom left corner. Next, select Insert and then choose Text Box. You can create the text box in any size or style that suits your needs. Once your text box is ready, tap inside it to type or paste your content. As you will notice, the text box comes with a border around it by default. To remove this border, look towards the bottom of your WPS interface. You will find an icon that resembles a stop sign, which indicates no border. Tap this icon and the border will disappear instantly, giving your text box a clean and seamless appearance. This feature is particularly useful when you want your text to blend naturally with the rest of your document, or when preparing a presentation where borders may be distracting. It's a simple adjustment, but it can significantly improve the overall look of your work. Remember that you can always adjust the size and position of your text box after removing the border to ensure it fits perfectly in your layout. If you ever need to reapply the border, simply tap the same icon again. Experimenting with text boxes in WPS Office Mobile allows you to design professional-looking documents directly from your device. Try creating different shapes and positions to see what works best for your content. Before we finish, if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. This way, you will be updated with more tips and tutorials that can make using WPS Office Mobile easier and more efficient. Using text boxes creatively can enhance your documents, making them more engaging and visually appealing. With these simple steps, removing the border becomes effortless, allowing your text to stand out without distractions. Keep practicing these features, and soon you'll be able to format any document like a pro.